What's the difference between pumpkin pie spice and apple pie spice? And what happens if you run out? Both are easy to make at home, and once you know what's in them, you can mix up your own or swap one for the other anytime. Hi friend, come on in. I don't keep a lot of pre-mixed spice blends in my drawer, but I do keep a wide variety of individual spices. That way I can blend what I need on the fly, tweak it to my family's tastes, and never worry about running out. Let's take a look at what's actually inside these two blends and what makes them different. Apple pie spice is a warm, cozy mix of cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and sometimes a little ginger. To make it, I combine 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, quarter teaspoon of allspice, and a quarter teaspoon of ginger in a small bowl or jar. Give it a good mix, and that's it. But don't stop there. You can adjust this however you like. Add a touch more cinnamon if that's your favorite, or even a little cardamom for something extra special. Make it your own. That's the beauty of homemade blends. Having a spice blend that suits your personal taste makes it easier to get desserts like apple pie or apple crisp just right, the way you like them. When substituting this apple pie spice in your recipes, use about 1.5 times the amount of cinnamon the recipe calls for. It gives you the perfect balance of warm spice and sweetness without needing to measure each one separately. The substitutions work both ways too. If a recipe calls for cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice, you can usually reach for apple pie spice instead. It's a great little shortcut when you're watching your budget or short on space. One spice blend takes the place of 3 separate jars. Now, pumpkin pie spice is very similar, but there's one key difference. It includes cloves. That's really what sets it apart. So if you ever run out of pumpkin pie spice, you can easily substitute apple pie spice. Just add a pinch of cloves. You can go the other way too, but keep in mind that cloves add a deeper, slightly sharper flavor, so the taste won't be quite the same. To make a small batch of pumpkin pie spice, I combine 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon each of ginger and nutmeg, and half a teaspoon each of cloves and allspice. Mix that well and you're ready for pie, cookies, or just about anything you want to give that cozy spiced flavor. You can absolutely tweak this to your taste too. Maybe you like a little more nutmeg and cloves, or maybe you prefer to lean heavier on the cinnamon. Some people even add a tiny pinch of black pepper to give it a little extra warmth. The point is, there is no single right blend, only what tastes right to you. And now you can make your own pumpkin spice anything, no store-bought blend required. Fun fact, there's usually no pumpkin in pumpkin spice at all. It's all about those warm spices we associate with fall baking. Did you know chili powder is also a spice blend? Let me know below if you'd like to see how that one comes together. If you enjoy learning how to save money by making your own pantry staples, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got new videos every week. Thanks for hanging out with me today.